See different laws of Boolean algebra. That is first one, commutative law. Commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a, and a dot b is equal to b dot a, means OR gate and AND gate obeys commutative laws. Associative law, if you are applying OR gate for three inputs a, b, c, first you can apply for b and c, then you can apply with a, or first you can apply a and b, then you can apply with c. Both are same. Associative law. Or you can separately add a plus b and c and d, then you can add both. Otherwise you can add directly a, b, c and d. So if you apply OR gate, then it will be same only. AND gate, so that is a dot b dot c, so you can apply it separately. A you can write outside, that is a dot b and dot c first. Now b dot c first they are doing, then do with dot, and that is dot means here AND gate. Next, distributive law. Distributive law, a dot b plus a dot c. And for plus also we can write. In normal addition we can't write like this, but in Boolean algebra we can write like this: a plus b dot a plus c. If we take normal numericals, we can't take like that. Suppose it is 4 plus 2 into 3 is there, and what is the value? 2 into 3, 6 plus 4, 10 you get. Suppose according to this, what you can write? 4 plus 2 into 4 plus 3, 6 into here 7, 6 into 7, like that we have to take. 42 we are getting, which is failed in normal addition, normal multiplication addition. But here in Boolean function this works, that is a plus b dot c is equal to a plus b dot a plus c. And next one, a plus a bar dot b is equal to a plus b. That also we can check. A plus a bar dot b. That what you can write here, you see, a plus a bar dot a plus b. Like this only. About how we are writing here, a plus b dot a plus c. Similarly here, if you think that is in bracket is there, then what you get? And why? Because when you are taking equation, if dot is there, first you have to do that, then only can add. So here first a plus a bar, which gives as 1. Why? Because OR gate, if this is 0, this must be 1. If this is 1, this is 0. So 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1, you get 1 only. Dot a plus b. Dot a plus b. So anything is dot product with 1, that only we get. A plus b only we get. A plus b only we get. So that is represented here. And next, De Morgan theorems here, and you see here a or b, nothing but a plus b whole bar is there. To split this bar and separately a bar and b bar, and this plus become dot. Similarly, dot become plus to separate the bar here. These are De Morgan theorems. A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar, or a dot b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar, we can write. These are the different laws and theorems. And commutative law we discuss, associative law, distributive law, and now De Morgan theorems. Now two gates in a given, we have number of gates, that is OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate, NOR, NAND, XOR. In that, NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Reason, using NAND gate we can build all other gates. Similarly, using NOR gate also we can build all other gates. For example, using NAND gate, how to build other gates, that we'll see now. Suppose NAND gate, so two inputs are there, and here this is the circular symbol of NAND gate, and here a small circle represent that. Circle is not there, you can say AND gate, and this circle represent a NAND gate. If you short circuit two inputs of NAND gate, that behaves like a NOT gate. So one input, one output, but you get opposite, that is A means A bar we are getting. This is NOT gate. And now we'll see how NAND gate convert into AND gate. For NAND gate, if you join one more NOT gate, then it become AND. So A dot B is equal to A dot B whole bar So that's why what you are doing, and here what you get, a dot b whole bar. This is an AND gate. For that they add one NOT gate. NOT gate here we build using NAND gate. So that we can add, and you get AND gate. And how to build OR gate? First write the equation using De Morgan theorems, and a plus b is equal to a plus b bar whole bar. To split this bar, first bar, and in place of plus what you get, dot you get. A bar dot b bar whole bar we get. So to get a bar, what we are doing, a joined with a NAND gate, two input short circuit, then what it become, a become a bar and b become b bar. For these two we are applying NAND gate. So what is NAND gate general formula? A dot b whole bar na, but here input is a bar and b bar, that's why a bar dot b bar whole bar we get. And how to use NAND gate as a NOR gate? For this gate only, if you add one more NOT gate in front of that, that only what it become, NOR gate. So that we can do, and we are adding for this circuit, we are adding one more NOT gate. NOT gate means here it is built using with the help of NAND gate. That we are connecting here, then it become here NOR gate. Now we'll see about integrated circuit or integrated chip. The image shows the integrated chip. It contains number of devices inside. So for example, you can see any circuit must contain number of resistors, capacitors and inductors inside. Maybe it contains some diodes, that is PN junction diode or GNR diode. Transistors also may be present in the circuit. If all these components are compressed into a small chip, a small area, that what we call integrated circuit or integrated chip. Here this is the image of integrated chip. Where they use this integrated chip means in electronic gadgets, that is a cell phone, a TV and a CD player, like that devices, they use this type of electronic chips. These are two types, and one is analog chip, other is a digital chip. What is analog or linear IC? So analog or linear IC means which contains resistors. These you see, these color bands are there, those are resistors, and here yellow color one, that is a capacitor, inductor. So if any integrated chip contains these resistor, capacitor, inductor, those are called analog integrated chip. Suppose if a chip contains diodes and transistors, semiconductor material devices, that we can call digital integrated chip. Depend upon the size of the circuits or number of circuits inside the integrated chip. These are classified like this, that is SSI and small scale integration, MSI, medium scale integration, large scale integration and very large scale integration. Here the number, suppose less than 10 gates is there, that what we call small scale integration. For square millimeter, less than 10 gates, and less than 100 means that is a medium scale integration, and LSI means large scale integration, and which is in between 100 to 1000 logic gates. So more than 1000 logic gates is there for millimeter, that is a very large scale integration they mention. This is about ICs.